Hello and welcome to Timmy Stan again for an unboxing of a 2023 Hot Wheels. Today we have the Custom 11 Camaro. 2011 that is. Hot Wheels Art Cars. And it's number 4 of 10, number 36 of 250 on the year. And that is some pretty nifty art. Oh, look, a graph. What are the art cars? Colorful art-inspired vehicles ready to paint the town. 2021 copyright. Let's get this open. I love the blue wheels. I would buy every one of these if I was a wheel swapper, because you never know when you want blue wheels. Nice pop. Nice pop. Nice pop, pops. Ooh. It's my son's birthday today, and I'm hoping he's 20, and I'm hoping he wants to do the sour challenge today after work. Depends what kind of day he had at work. He does 10 to 12 hour days, so you never know how he's going to be when he comes home. It depends on if he's off tomorrow. Sometimes he has off after doing so many hours. He has off Friday, Saturday, Sunday sometimes. Nice plastic bottom right there with the blue wheels. I love this car. Made in Malaysia. And that white with the tempo there is all metal. Sorry to babble a little bit. I was just thinking, I was kind of drifting off on having a 20-year-old. I've already got kids in my 30s and their 30s, but he's number 4, and I can't believe he's 20 already. Awesome. I still have a 13-year-old and an 8-year-old that are not adults. And I've been with my wife 37 years now. Oh, it's bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Wow! It's so bumpy that it won't stay straight. Boom! Let me see, what's the car I did recently? Let's see if this one does that. I just dropped it. No. This is kind of... Wow, it went away. There it is again. Huh. Alright, whatever. Let's see how it rolls on my little racquetball track. Slow. Faster. Flip over. Oh, not a flip over. And that was actually quite cool. Oh, there's a flip over. Backwards. Backwards faster. Oh, almost made it all the way. Oh. It's on fire now. All right, let's try frontwards squeezing the ball. Harder. Oh, it flipped over and then came back on its wheels. All right, let's go backwards squeezing the ball. That's another thing I want to improve. I want to be on that side doing the video, so I'm not in the way. When the ball's hitting them right there, it hits right here, gets in the way. You know what I mean? You get it. Why am I having a hard time talking? I don't know. Oh. Maybe I'm nervous. Because I'm a 10-year-old right now for these 5 minutes. Oh, that was actually cool. Oh, yes, I love it. Gotta take time to feel 10 again. Ooh, nice jet. All right, how's the drifting abilities? Nice, straightening out. Nice. I like that last one real lot. Squirts. Nice striker pose, baby. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. And the blue wheels, I can't say enough about the blue wheels. Nice color tone with the blue versus white. Love that. Blue over white. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe. You know what I hope they do? I hope they do the opposite. I hope they do a blue car with the white print and a white bottom with white wheels. What do you think about that? That would be cool. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Till next time. T10 out.